Hello everyone. Nobody knows truly what tomorrow will bring. Life is truly, like I said in one of my contents, a pot of beans. Simply meaning a life full of unpredictable happenings. Good, bad, a mixture of it all. But you see, we as human beings focus a lot. And when I mean a lot, I've coined this thing and I say the 90%, 10% rule. We focus 90% on the things that we cannot control. When really the sweet spot, the 10%, the sweet spot, is really in our control. But you see, the system, the environment has been created so much so that we are led to focus on the 90%. But I want you, especially in a period like this, to switch it around. I know it's not easy, but what am I speaking about? Things like confidence, work on it. Things like your style of execution, work on it. Emotional intelligence is a good period to work on it. These things are controllable and you owe it to yourself to actually take full control of the 10% in your life. I remain a digital influencer. I'll see you at the top. Cheers.